Well, folks, welcome back. Beautiful day out here in the summer. Finally, all the snow's gone. I'm back in the shop. I'm trying to do a few things. As you can see behind me, I'm working away on a tabletop with some live edge white pine. One thing I wanted to do, though, while it came to me, is take some time to show you a really great product that I found that I'm going to use to light up my shop. Now, this product is called Sansi LED Floodlight. Sansi is the name of the company. The wattage of this light I'm about to show you is 50 watts, and it's an LED floodlight. Now, what this is going to be used for is this. Let's just take you through the shop, just outside the front door, and we'll have a look up to the sky here. If we look way up there, you'll see a great big old floodlight. Now, that floodlight is great, gives off a ton of light, but I believe it's a halogen. And if you know anything about halogen versus LED, halogen uses a heck of a lot more energy, hence more cost to me. And so I was looking for an alternative. Now, this alternative I think is going to work out pretty good because, as you know, LED uses very little energy and very little cost for me. So let's get into this box. You guys can see why I think this is so great and why I think this will be something that'll work good for my shop here. So getting the box, this is straight from Amazon.ca. Getting the box that looks just like this. So when I dive into it, first thing I'm noticing, I got my owner's manual, and just like the picture on the box, right there. Okay, so there's really no assembly required here. One of the great things I'm noticing with this already. Now, going through the user manual, looks pretty standard to me. So you can adjust the angle, how to mount it, etc., etc. We'll get into that in a few minutes. Other things you're going to get in here, basically telling me about, looks like a VIP club. Okay, some sort of offer from the Sansi company, but getting down to the meat and potatoes of what we're looking at. Let's very carefully try to get things out here. Okay, so here looks like an adjustable remote, a remote that adjusts the light. So a remote that has all kinds of different features on it to adjust the light. We'll look at that in a second. This is packaged really well, so that's great. No damage at all. I'm sure that's going to be the case. And yeah, this comes fully assembled, which is awesome. So you can see on the bottom here, nice metal bracket here. There's some holes, I'm sure, for mounting. Looks like we've got some fairly rigid feeling, sturdy feeling hardware on the side to allow for the angle adjustment. Awesome. And let's have a look at the back of this unit. So the back of this unit feels like it's made out of it is plastic, but keep in mind it feels like a pretty firm plastic, so it feels pretty good that way. The front here, we've got 8 different LED pods, I guess I'll call them. That looks pretty good. It actually is completely pass-through like, so you can see right through that. Not sure what that's for. I'm sure there's a reason for that. Maybe heat dissipation. Get rid of the heat. Let's see what we got here. So it looks like we got some legs here. And, oh, you know what these are for? I think these are for, and I'm sure it says in the manual, but if I had to warn a guess, those are for mounting into something like concrete. Okay. Anyways, let's get back to the manual. We'll see what else we're dealing with here. RGB dimming. So this is a remote control for some dimming. Some of the features, you've got on and off, white, red, green, and blue buttons. So cool, you got different light colors for this. We'll try all this out once it gets dark. You got a strobe light feature, flash feature, circular fade. So it looks like we got all kinds of different color and light configurations for this, and it's all controlled with this remote, which is great because the light's going to be about 15 feet off the ground, and I'm not heading up there to change anything. Red flashing, green flashing, etc., etc. Decreasing brightness, next color light selection. That's pretty cool. It looks like it's going to have a lot of different features, so that's that. Technical parameters, as I was mentioning. This one, and let's make sure we got the right model here. RGB dimming, I think that's what we have. We can just look on the side here. RGB LED floodlight, party lights, stage lights. Okay, so I believe that's the one we have here on the left. 50 watts. It talks about the controls, cautions, warranty, and then we're into different language. So the good thing about this user manual, it's right to the point. It doesn't make it difficult for me to get what I want. What I would likely want in a product like this is instruction on what all these buttons on this remote does, and it's here right off the bat, so that's great. Also talks about some of the features, and yeah, these are in fact anchor bolts for anchoring this to a hard surface. For me, I'm probably just going to screw it into the wood siding, but overall it looks pretty solid. What you see is what you get in front of you, so time will tell how this product actually works. I'm going to put it up on the shop, and then what we'll do is we'll try it out once it gets dark, and we'll try to figure out whether this is a solid product for me, and maybe it'll be one for you. So hold on. Well, I'm out here in the dark, and in order to get the full effect, I had to wait till it was pretty late in the day. Here in Canada, we're into the end of July, or end of June, and it's pretty well light out until nearly 10 p.m. But anyways, I'm out here, I'm about to turn this thing on. So I got the remote in my hand, you probably can't see it, but I'm gonna point it at the light and press on, and see what happens. And that is pretty much like looking into the sun, and I actually have it on the strobe feature, so I'm going to turn that off here. So that is, oh, still got it on. Okay, now the strobe feature's off, and as you can tell by looking around here, now keep in mind it's pitch black in here, I literally can't see anything in front of my face, but looking around here in the shop, that is quite the floodlight. Now that's an LED 50 watt light, so that is something. To me, that's almost like looking into the sun, that's so bright. So that's pretty solid. Now going back to the remote, let's just see what other buttons we have here. So we got strobe, flash, fade, smooth. So let's see the strobe here. Okay, so there's the strobe feature, that's pretty cool. It looks like we can also change the colors. That's white without a strobe. Let's go to a red. Green, wow. And we got a blue, looking pretty good. Back to the strobe. Nice. So there's our strobe. What else we got here? Having trouble with this light. It's so good. It's attracting the mosquitoes. I don't know how they're finding me, but they're still getting me in the dark. Okay, so there's the red to green. That's pretty cool. That's probably what they call, what do we got here? It's probably the fade. Let's see what the smooth does. So that's the smooth feature. So that's pretty neat too. If you look around, I know it's kind of blinding looking at the light, but it provides a real nice soft effect. So you can see the lights changing around the room here. Now, look at these bugs off me, holy smokes. What else we got here? We have a whole bunch of buttons down below here. Oh cool, so we got orange, another green color, sort of a pink. Geez, we got a lot of color options here, and this is very responsive. This remote is very responsive, and I can hit the big button to go right back to white light, and lime color, aqua cyan, orchid, navy, indigo, yellow, pink, purple, orange, coral, gold. Wow, whole bunch. Oh, that's pretty neat. Anyways, I'm impressed. I'm quite impressed. Let's just go back to white light. So we'll stop playing with all the gadgets here. This has a whole bunch of options. But if you look around at what just a basic white light provides, it provides a heck of a lot of light for a 50 watt LED. So I think this is going to provide a really good option for me on the outside of my shop. Now, I might actually use this in a bunch of different spots, but I think having the ability to put it into, I don't know how many colors are on here, but a whole bunch of them, I think that really makes the advantage of this quite good. So you guys might want to try this out. I know I'm going to try it out. If you have any more questions, just make sure to put them in the comments below. As I mentioned, you can look right there. This is made by Sansi. This is the 50 watt outdoor LED floodlight. This is the manual that comes with it. Comes with some anchors, got 2 of them here. It seems like a really good product overall. So hopefully you guys like that. If you have any questions, as I mentioned, put them down below, and we'll see you guys all next time.